Start. We are meeting after a year to discuss our common problems. Stop. As you are aware, the Indian Historical Records Commission deals with all kinds of historical records. Stop. The scope of our deliberations is therefore wide and extensive. Stop. It will, however, be of advantage to confine ourselves to matters of first concern, and I am sure you will agree that these relate to questions affecting the national archives. Stop. In all countries, the national archives are the treasure houses of their historical wealth, and we in India can justly take pride for the extent and magnitude of our richness in this field. Stop. Our national archives contain a vast collection of records, but systematic series begin from 1672. Stop. Some of the latest records are as late as 1999. Stop. They therefore tell the story of nearly 300 years of a most interesting and momentous period of India's history. Stop. If what remains of the scattered records of the Mughal period are added to these collections, we can say that our records go back to the 15th century. Stop. There are not many countries which can claim records which go so far back. Stop. From the point of view of quantity, also, ours is one of the biggest collections not only in Asia but in the world. Stop. I cannot give you the exact number of our records, for much work of indexing and cataloging still remains to be done, but to give you some idea of the extent of the collection, I may say that if all these records are assembled in one place, there is no building in India big enough to contain all of them. Stop. It is hardly necessary for me to stress before the present audience the importance of national records. Stop. Such records are the basis of history and can alone give authenticity to our knowledge of the past. Stop. When we read of the past, we are often troubled by the fact that our knowledge is neither complete nor adequate. Stop. Contemporary historians hardly ever leave accounts which satisfy succeeding generations, and in fact, they are often not in a position to judge what should be recorded and what left out. Stop. If, however, complete records are available, the annals of the past can be reconstructed, but in most cases, such records of the past do not exist. Stop. We know that during the Mughal period India had the instruments of civilized law. Stop.